Good morning guys, it's our second day here in New Zealand and come with me! Ayan, mas maliwanag. So, I made cereals for my husband. Wow! Some hot coffee for him. Ito. Ayan na naman siya. Hi! Babe, no sugar or with sugar? Sure ka, babe, ah? Punuin ka lang ng konti water. And for me, I think I'll only drink. Binili namin, pero I'll try this one. So, ito lang muna yung breakfast ko with bread. Actually, ano na dito? 11 AM na here. And sa Philippines, it's around what time? 4 hours. Advance kasi ang New Zealand. So, doon siguro mga ano lang. Anong oras na kayo sa Philippines? 6 or 7, 8? 6 AM. Nice. Hindi siya matamis. So, gusto ko siya. Sobrang lamig dito sa New Zealand, guys. Na even sa loob, nakaganito kami. Pero may heater kami. Kaya medyo mainit na ngayon. Tignan nyo guys, yung diskarte niya. Let me see. It's nice.
The best.
Wow. Let me take him. Using your spoon. Okay. It's nice.
Sarap.
Guys, ubusin ko tong food. So, see you later. Bye! Sobrang lamig. Ay, sobrang lamig guys. Dito ako ngayon sa pintuan. Because gusto ko lang namnamin yung lamig. Kasi pag nasa Philippines na tayo, kaya naman yung lamig. Kaya naman. Guys, dito ako sa labas ngayon because si Ninang naghatid. Si Ninang maghatid ng lunch. Actually, dapat din na kami mag-lunch. Sabi kasi ni Pastor magda-diet daw kami. But yeah, I'm going to wait for Ninang. Just gonna drop by here. It's cold, but I love it. Lamig sa labas. But I like it. Guys, sobrang ganda dito. As in, pupunta tayo here. Sobrang lamig. Ben, sana okay na to kaysa sobrang init. Right? I'm here outside. So cold, but the weather's nice. Malamig siya. Wow, this wow. Whew. Ayun na si Ninang. Ninang is here. Good morning, Mom. You're so pretty. Ay, ang bango naman. Good morning, everyone. Hi, thank you, Lord, for this food. The food is here. My husband is studying. So guapo.
So taba.
Ay, let's go, babe. We're going outside to take a walk. Alright. It's cold, but it's nice. What's up, sir?
Let's go. Wow.
Wow. Wow, it's good. Ang lamig. Pops. Here. Yung tapat namin is pack and save. Sobrang lamig, guys, but it's nice. Yeah!
Ano, gusto mo dito tayo tumira?
God's will so be it.
You want na dito tayo mag-shot?
I want.
What if?
The house is so cute and pretty. We're doing the walking because we're trying to burn our fats. Right, we're so fast.
Burn our fats na eh.
May doble ako. Kaya di ako ganun cold. And I have gloves. Pabalik na kami, guys. Lakad-lakad lang talaga kami. The weather's so nice. Put it on.
Ang sounds.
Wala yung sound. Nice. Baby, sa loob yan.
Ha?
Sa loob dapat yan ng ano, hindi dapat dyan. Yan, go. Habaan mo na, habaan yan. Yan, you look so cute. Baby, look at you. Ay! Bumalik kami, guys, kasi kinuha namin tong 4 ears. Kasi, sarap pala sa tenga. Hi po sa vlog.
Hello. Kamusta ka? Hello.
Sana yung...
Wow. Pinangano nga lang ni Pastora yan kay Pastora. Tama yan. Oo. Nandun pa